How to find the longest palindrome in a string. Problem statement. The input would be the string and the output would be the longest palindrome. Example 1. The input string would be BABAD and the output would be BAB because that is the longest palindrome. Palindrome means that when it goes forwards and backwards, it's the same. So BAB is a palindrome. Example 2. This would be an even example. BAAB. BAAB backwards is still BAAB, so the output would be BAAB. Observation 1. When the palindrome is odd, the palindrome goes from the center. So this is an example. It goes, so this would be the first one, and this would be the second one. And since the B and the B are also the same, that would be another part of the palindrome. When it is even, it grows from the two center letters, so it would be from here to here. So, we have a function called helper, which we pass in the string and then a left and right value. So, the first thing, so for an odd array, the left and right value would be like this. And then what you do is you see if they are equal. If they are equal, then you decrement L and you increment R. So now you're looking here. And since these are also equal, you decrement L and you increment R. And since these aren't equal, what you do is you return the substring, which would be start from L plus 1, which is A, and then it would go to R. So it will be ABA. It will return ABA. So now we have a function called longest palindrome, where we will call helper. So we pass in the string, and then we define a string called result. The result string will take in the results of the palindrome. So the first thing that you do is you look, when I is 0, you call the helper function with 0 and 0. And then it will return B. Now I is still 0, and it's looking at these two. They aren't the same, so it returns nothing. Now I is 1. Since B, A, and B are the same, since B and B are the same, and so is A, then you return BAB. And since A and B are not the same, you return nothing. Now since ABA is a palindrome, but the BAB is the same size as it stays BAB. And the A and the B are not the same. And then now you're looking at this where it returns A. So then you return nothing, because it is smaller than the longest palindrome that we have. And then this will return nothing, so the result is still BAB. And then you look at D, so the final result will be BAB. Now, this is an even string. So first you look at B. The result will now be B. Then you look at this. A and B are not the same, so you return nothing. The result is still B. Now when I is 1, L is 1, R is 1, it returns nothing. Now, when L is 1, so L is 1 and R is 2, it will return BAB. And that would be the longest palindrome, which is the whole string. So you return BAB. Thank you for watching.